Hello, the soy. First, first comment. Good to see. Cool. Yeah, I'll just do a quick stream tonight. I think there's not there's not very much to go over today. So yeah. What should we do? Anyone has any questions? Oh, VWAP. We've hit VWAP. If anyone wants to do like a live trading thing, short it. I'm actually going to take a quick scalp off of this because we're in this little downtrend. So, is it going to stay there for long enough? Yes, it is. Good. Okay. All right. Anyway, that's just a little scalp because we've got this mini downtrend going on here. If it takes out the highs, and that's an invalidation off of that one. So nice and simple to start off the stream. Yeah, I mean, this is VWAP. I'll be in and out of this one really quickly. Okay. These are my levels, by the way, of importance. This is what I'm looking for where I want to go into long positions again. And yeah, we've not really been given an opportunity to take any decent trades today, but we have had this change of market structure. So we did take these lows, and at that point that just immediately says just take a short next time you come into an area, even if it doesn't, even if you start to consolidate here or something. I think the fact that we've got high, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower low at the moment at least means we're going to get a little scalpage off of this. And then we've got the trident kind of thing playing out. So, oh man. Okay, cool. That was good timing. It might not work. Hey, never mind. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Shorted VWAP here, so wrecked. I mean, well, we're at VWAP, so let's just give this a minute. If you shorted VWAP, then you can't be wrecked yet because we're like still at it. Hey, Trader JM. Hello, Cool G. Theraz. I talked about long short ratio in the Discord. Yes, sorry, I was going to say about that. Senti's probably your guy. He's probably the man that you want to be asking about like the long short ratio. I don't really look too much into it. Let's just bring up this chart and we can have a little look at it. So this is what you're looking at, right? Long shorts accounts, global ratio global. So I'd imagine this is like long and short open interest because the problem is like for every short there is a long and for every long there is a short. So I always take these ratios with a pinch of salt because there's a bit of guesswork involved in it. The only thing I can say about this is that the fact that it's coming down to like a normal level again is you've got to kind of see that as bullish. Like it means that people aren't just longing every dip and people have got to that point where they're giving up on this now. So it looks to me, if anything, to be more bullish. You can see where it kind of, I don't know, did it match up with something there? Yeah, you assume it's current positions. Like it will be, but that's what I'm saying is that long and shorts are always 50-50, 100% of the time. There never is a ratio. Long positions, short positions, always 50-50. But if this is taking into account market orders or something, maybe. Well, it must be. Yeah, it must be taking into account just market positions. People that have taken long or short positions at market. But, yeah, I don't really care too much for these kind of ratios. They don't. Yeah. They don't really bother me in any way. Senti, or I don't know if there's anyone else within the group that has any other kind of information on that. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm just like, they're 50-50. It doesn't mean too much. So yeah, sorry, I can't really say a lot about that. Yeah. Oh man, we're gonna. I need to place a stop loss on this little trade actually, just in case. We'll probably get some profit out of it, but I'll place a stop loss because I won't be able to actually monitor this. Probably because I'll be looking at other stuff while I'll be busy doing other things if I'm streaming. But I basically just set a hard stop loss above there if you're short from VWAP. I mean, there's not really anything else to be doing on this. We can draw ourselves forget about that big wick, that's the excess, but mm, yeah, who knows. We'll see what happens. There's literally no other confluence there for me apart from VWAP. It's a trade. It's just a trade. Okay. Yeah, if I can get it back into daily point of control, then that'll be a nice one. Although this, yeah, this might go back up to value area high again now. Right. Georgia, Adelaide. Did someone dislike it? Oh, who disliked the video? That's not fair. If you just dislike the video, then that's oh, I'm sad. I think that's the first time I've had a dislike in like months. But anyway, everyone smash up the likes. Let's get this. We've got 36 people in, so let's get it up to like 20, 30. Yeah. Is the point of control here? Let's just take it at the range. Okay. Okay, yeah, we've got point of control view up. Value area high just above. We got that 0.5. We probably got this 786. Yeah. Yeah, we got exactly the 786 off that. Little mini trade. Traded JM, are you saying you're the one that disliked it or you've liked it? At some point I'll have to get used to like loads of people disliking my videos because I'll be big enough to get some haters in here, which will actually be really cool. It's nice to have some haters. It means you're 3 dislikes now. Yes. Come on, let's actually no, I'm not going to encourage the dislikes. The YouTube algorithm does not like that at all. Um We must have some cult members from somewhere else in this stream. You liked it. Nice. Okay. Does anyone want me to go over any charts? Because there's nothing to go over on Bitcoin. Eth had a nice trade a minute ago as well. Daily open. Where's our week view up on this? Still lower down. Their only king is Crypto and BitBoy. RSR. Okay, let's take a look at it. I still do like this project. I still am buying this project. VWAP. Right, okay. I mean, it's pretty dead right now, RSR, but I'm not. I mean, actually, like, it's really not that bad. It's just, did it take the lows? Yeah, it did. It just swept the lows, and actually, this looks pretty good. At least the Bitcoin pair, like, absolutely no reason to be selling this right now. It's clearly losing momentum to the downside. It's taken the lows out. Yes. Yeah, RSR is quite a good one. We came into this big order block, so daily, weekly, something like that. Weekly order block. That was curvy line. Let me straighten this up a little bit. There we go. RSR is one of those that actually looks really, really good here. It took out all the lows on. It's taken out all of these. We got. There must be a bit of a wedge going on here. Forget about that. Let's forget about that. And this is a descending wedge. It's a very, very clear descending wedge. Right into a big area of support. I wouldn't be surprised if this is a global point of control as well. So let's just turn this on. It is, isn't it? So this is the global point of control. There's definitely more volume here. Yeah, cool. In fact, looks like a breakout of the wedge. I'm buying more RSR. I'm going to start doing this on alts again. Just going to buy stuff now and again because I've got capital to trade with because we've had such a nice dip and everything is so cheap. Everything is super, super, super duper cheap. RSR, how much do I want to buy of this? Like, let's start off with 5. How much is it? 100, few hundred quid's worth. Bye. I'm being very reckless again, clearly. But hey, look, we're how far down from all-time high on this? 80%, like more than 80% down from all-time high. What, like, why would you not buy it when this is one of those really, really strong projects? Like I believe anyway. We're at global point of control. We've got a descending wedge. Let's do some MACD RSI stuff and look at momentum on things because we're gonna get tons of these kind of setups, I'd imagine, across all the alts on the daily. I bet there's like divergence and stuff off of these as well. Actually, there was no divergence on the lows. It had divergence on the low before, and then it took that out. So, for there wasn't any. But hey, it looks good. It looks nice. Okay, AXS. Yeah, someone like market bought like 40 million AXS earlier, whatever AXS is. And that's like that's pretty much what happened with the... actually, this is a healthy trend. But I did see somewhere that... AXS, what is AXS? Is that the... Let me go on CoinMarketCap. That's not that Travala one, is it? No, AXS. What's... No idea what it is. I hate websites that have this. This is a truck. This is a truck. This is a truck. This is a truck. Thank you. What is it? Is it a game? It's literally just a game. And it's... It's got a fully diluted market cap of like $10 billion. And it's just a game. How can a game have a market cap of $10 billion? Alright, why are you getting me to DTA on this? It's just stupid. Why? This is probably why I'm getting dislikes, because I'm just calling stuff. People have probably invested in this. It's just stupid. It's just ridiculous. It's about the only thing in an uptrend at the moment, so yeah, fair enough. If you buy this here, you're insane. Like literally insane. Why would you buy it here? It's just wait for it to retrace. You could have bought it down here if you liked the project. I didn't even come to support. Like, sorry for anyone holding this. Axie Infinity. Axies are fierce creatures that love to battle, build, and hunt for treasure. Build up a collection and use them across an ever-expanding universe of games. Axie Infinity uses cutting-edge technology called blockchain to reward players for their engagement. Yeah. Whoops. Okay. Yeah, let's have a look at something else. Cardano. That one else for ADA. Still trading off this weekly level. So this has been the support for ages and ages. So we've got support on the weekly and resistance on the monthly. That is like, yeah, everything. Shall I play it? Yeah, I should play the game. Play that AXS game, Axis game. So Cardano did have this. Well, I guess it did change market structure. Cool G, what's up with the dislikes? Are there more dislikes now? Come on, guys, that's not fair. I think this is the first stream I've ever had a dislike on. You guys are mean. Yeah, so we had that support at the weekly level again, like it keeps doing. Briefly supported on the daily, come up to the monthly, and that is the resistance. Anything else on here? We got the fibs. So if this does get another move up, then you'd say this next weekly level is the clear. Like, there's the resistance for you. It's really, really obvious where that is. So that's if this does continue to go higher. $1.32, $1.32 kind of area is the resistance. There's not really anything else in between that. That would be the one to be looking at. There's not really anything between here and there. So, yeah. The BTC pair come down a little bit. So, I mean, this could get some continuation. We're almost in this golden pocket zone on here. Do we have anything else on this? We're within this little 4-hour AB. Nothing else. Yeah, I mean, Cardano looks okay as well. That's the thing. Everything's really cheap now. I'm amazed that Cardano's just held above $1 like a champ. Like, it's done so well through this whole kind of bear market thing. Like, it's held up really nicely. Here is, of course, if we lose this weekly and it loses $1, then this will just collapse, I would think. But really, this is, it's very, very strong support. $1 is clearly very strong support. If we lose it, we're looking like, again, like another like massive move down on this. Again, if we lose $1 as the support. So, yeah, there's not that much else to say on ADA Cardano. B BZRX, yeah. This is another one I've bought some of recently. Just the same reason as RSR. It's a I don't know if it's a decent project. I mean, it's always been really nice to trade. I've always enjoyed trading this. It didn't take out the lows on the Bitcoin pair, and just about took out these ones on the USD pair. So, did it? No, it didn't. So, I mean, equal lows came down into, again, a big area of support. Your global point of control on this one is 20 cents, around there. So you'd say 20 cents is going to be resistance. We've got currently, what's going on this? Again, small change of market structure after it broke down. Alts in general just, looking a lot more healthy now than they were this time, like last week. Looks very similar to RSR, doesn't it? Where you just had it come down, sweep the lows, and we're looking for a bounce. You'd be looking up at this monthly level now, I think, and this would be, you probably look at this swing failure of these highs, and then probably looking to then have a retrace after that. It does seem like we're probably going to get a bullish weekend for altcoins. Is BZRX? Yeah, it is one that have bought recently, so I don't think I'll buy any more of this one, but yeah, looks decent. The 24-hour volume of excess on Binance Futures is 5.8 billion. It's crazy. This, what is it? You'll need at least 3 axes to start playing. Learn more here. Oh, so you've got to buy it to play it. That would be why. Right, okay. So you have to buy this shit to play it, so no wonder it's going up. I'm not playing it. Not a chance. Um is my VWAP short losing? No, it's fine. Why were you selling me my VWAP, my BTC VWAP trade was not looking good when it's like it's absolutely fine? I was thinking you were saying we were up here or something. No, this is what you want to see on a VWAP. This is a rejection at VWAP. It's not a bull flag. Like it, of course, it can still go up, but you got to look at context. Where yeah, there's no such thing as a bull flag. Sorry, this is probably why I'm getting disliked today because I'm yeah. And now Bitcoiners are going to stop me out probably, but yeah, there's no such thing as a bull flag. It's all about context. You're either consolidating below resistance or you're above resistance. It's a consolidation. If BTC dumps, all alts will dump too. No, I mean, Bitcoin's not going to dump. Like, there's enough support below it. It's not gonna like. I'm I'm in a really weird mood this evening, aren't I? So seeing this game has put me in a funny mood, I think. I don't think what. So yeah, what with Bitcoin? I think we stay in a range over the weekend, and if we get a move down, like I'm looking for long positions at this stage. We've changed market structure. We could get a 3% move down and still be really bullish, which I'd really like. So I have got a short position from the highs up here. I'm happy enough with that. I'm also short from like 34,600 or whatever it is. 30 something like that. 36,400, 34,600. Yeah, but I'm in a long position as well, and I'm not looking to close either of those. I'm not looking to close my short, not looking to close my long. Just going to let Bitcoin do what it wants to do. Nothing here. This is what I'm looking for, is the support and the resistance. So we can bring up these levels and I can show you. Here's the range where this may have moved. So this is the big range point of control. This is why we rejected. It was always going to reject. This was never going to get through it on first attempt. We also had, so actually this was the easiest short you could have, probably the easiest trade we've had in like 2 weeks. Either of these, really, really easy trade short off of that. Then we had and just for the confluence on that, we had the monthly VWAP there as well. So it came into our monthly VWAP. And then if we add our daily levels, we had the daily. So we had about 3 of the strongest forms of confluence you can possibly get. Range point of control for a range of this size being absolutely the strongest level. You could, like, that's like, I don't know what to call it, but that's the strongest level you can get on a chart. Is something like a range point of control, especially when we've been in this range for 2 months. So nothing was going to get past that on first attempt. There's no chance. Monthly VWAP, again, the strongest form of a VWAP because it's had the longest history. And then you've got a daily level, just strong by itself. Okay, these horizontal levels are always really good. So you can see here you had support daily, support off the daily, support off the daily. And just each time, because of the what we had going on, it was just flipping each of those into support. And now we're looking to come back down here and probably take this daily again. I think we do get a retrace over the weekend, a little one, probably on Sunday, and we go from there. The origami swan. I mean, Bitcoin's moved since then, so there's not really any need to draw stupid shit anymore. It's like we can actually look at property A now. I hate having this many daily levels on my chart, but they're all, because we're in such a tight little range, they're all important at the moment. Powell, I've already looked at RSR. You'll have to rewind a little bit. I have looked at RSR and I did buy some RSR just a minute ago because it does look really good. So yeah, I did buy some more RSR. This is one that I accumulate on dips anyway. P is in the chat. He's telling you to smash up the likes and to follow us on Twitter. Are we still at like 6 dislikes? P, if you've just joined us, people were really mean earlier and they disliked the video because I was teasing them about some silly game, this weird game. So then I got a load of dislikes. Damn it. I forget that we're in like this really bearish market and people are probably looking for anything remotely positive in the market at the moment, and I'm there just saying how silly it is to buy it. I deserve the dislikes. Oh man. What is C98? What is C98? Who is this guy saying I will buy $1 million C98 in 1 minute. C98 will fly to the moon in 1 minute. Just watch how it will fly to $1.5 today. What is C98? I really want to... Can you find this? What is it? Is this? Oh, it is an actual thing. Coin 98. What? What is this nonsense? Why are people just like... C98, does it exist? It does. It's on Coin Market Cap. It's on Binance. I might buy some C98 and I'll watch it move. Should we see if I can move it? Oh wait, it's not. It's the wrong chart. I need to get this on Binance, but there's not a C98 Binance chart. Which is annoying. I want to find this chart. Because I'm just going to buy some. I'm just going to buy some of this. You say you've just bought $1 million, right? Okay, Kivok Akiki. You're gonna buy $1 million worth, right? You just said you're gonna buy $1 million worth. I will buy $1 million C98 in 1 minute. I'm waiting for it. Okay, we'll check this out later. So if you've bought $1 million worth, you'll be the 4th largest holder. You'll almost have as much as So Binance have $37 million worth. So you'll be the fourth largest holder. So we're waiting. I'll come back and we'll have a look at that a little bit later. You'll be the 42nd holder of this. I'm going to buy some. I'm going to buy some and we'll see who can become... This is stupid. Why am I playing these games? C98. C98 USDT because I've got plenty to burn. I'm going to buy... Of course it's a scam. I mean, well, it's on Binance, but hey, I'm going to buy some. I bought 100 C98s, whatever they are. It's like less than $100 worth. So I'll be around here somewhere. So this will come up with $100. I don't know how long it'll take to do it, but we're still waiting for this Kivork guy to buy his because he hasn't yet. Otherwise, we'd see it. Anyway, I bought some of your shitcoin. There you go. You're happy now. Look at this. This is so we've got these must be like what even is it? Definitely a scam. Svetislav Kirov as well saying buy 600. I mean actually this it doesn't look that scammy, does it, to be honest? Yeah, it's free VWAP. Can't believe I bought that random coin. Um oh god. They made a mini bull flag. Yeah, I'll get stopped out of this, it's fine. It doesn't look scammy, it's how you know it's a proper scam. Yeah. I mean I put $100 into it. I put $100 into Pussy Finance and it made me like 2 grand. So I'm not worried about putting my money into stupid stuff. I'm happy enough to do it. I don't know why I just clicked on Twitter. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, but VWAP trade's probably gone. We'll probably come up to this value area high. This will be fading the value area low, and it'll get a rotation. Okay. Maybe I should get a beer. VWAP fib, your VWAP trade heading to the rec yard. I'm 100% loss on VWAP trades recently. What? VWAP is like amazing. How could you? That was a winner. That was a winner. That chopped straight through it and it became resistance afterwards. So you wouldn't have traded that so close to this one, especially after hitting that. that one won, that one won. You must have been trading this one, this one. Yeah, I mean, never mind. Asia started the big BTC move up on 21st of July. Asia will lead it again and dump it. Yeah, most of the moves at the moment are happening during the Asia session, but it is the weekend now, so we're not going to dump. We're going to come. We might have like a 3% move down. This guy's still shilling this coin 98. Get 3 million profit. Have you bought it yet? I mean, until you've bought it. Maybe I should just ban you from the chat until you've bought it. Once you've bought it, then I'll unban you from here. Does that sound like a good idea? So, Kivork, because you're here shilling a coin, unless you put your money where your mouth is and actually buy $1 million of it, I'm gonna ban you if you say it again. And once I see this, then I will unban. I think that's fair. I'm all fine with people shilling some shitcoin, but if they're going to shill it, they got to buy it. Sentiment. They got a coin now. Does Sentiment have a coin? They do. Oh my god, this has been around for years. I didn't know they had a coin. I've used this a few times. Back in like 2017. But I didn't realise they had a coin. Jumping on the bandwagon and releasing their token. Yeah. How long has it been around? Oh, okay, no, it has been around since 2017. Fair enough. I just didn't realise they had a coin in 2017. I thought they'd jumped on the bandwagon recently and had done that. Yeah. Oh, yeah, sorry. That Kivot guy's quiet now. Hmm. Do you use volume for VA POC calculation for VAs? Do you use volume for value area point of control calculation for value areas? That's a. I mean, yeah, I do use volume point of control and not time. You're asking about this, right? This is my volume point of control. So yeah, I'm always on volume. I don't really look at time, unless it's really obviously different. Always volume. Always. What beer am I drinking? I was drinking San Miguel. Again, San Miguel is just what I normally have because it's cheap. Why do I keep going onto Twitter? I do not want to go onto Twitter. Has anything moved up a lot over the last 7 days? Apart from this silly game. Sushi's gone up. Cool. Alright. Sushi did get the move up. Good. Good. That is another one I bought recently. Kivok Akiki, 2.3k now. Do you mean you just bought 2.3k? 2,300. Not showing it. There's still only 41. Oh. Wait, okay, what you've got to do, because this will just be on Binance's wallet still, because I bought some, it's on Binance's wallet, and this will be going up. So we need to be looking at this. No, what would do? No, it won't distribute, will it? If it's Binance Smart Chain, it will just be BSC wrapped. Is that right? It won't show on Ethscanner. It will just be wrapped BSC whilst you've got it on an exchange. That's annoying. We can't check if this guy's bought any. Maltus. Which bit of 1 billion don't you understand? I mean, if he bought 2.3k, no, it's worth almost $1. Yeah, so he clearly clearly hasn't. Okay. Is there anything else anyone wants me to look at? Because I might just call it a day in a minute. I mean, there's really nothing much to look at. We did a quick stream. Do we want to do any kind of... Shall we do a raffle or a giveaway? Or shall we leave it? We've got 53 viewers. Not very many. QNT. Ah, yes. How is QNT doing? This again is now my biggest alt bag. Guess what, guys? It's a bull flag. I mean, I say bull flags don't exist, but it's a bull flag. Because there's no resistance or support around it, so it's just thin air up here. So I guess maybe it's a bull flag. Okay. So we're probably looking at a little rejection off of this on QNT, but I have no doubt this is going to be at $100 again soon, which is really good because I've got loads of this. $100 is very, very happy. OMG, that is a not OM oh my god. Yeah, OMG. I haven't traded for years again either. Dead. But okay, let's have a look. I want to go on to something with a bit more history for OMG. I'll probably have to use this one. Yeah, there we go. Last time I was trading it was back here. Why did I take a trade? Why is that position like that? Who knows? Uh, Maybe still a little bit early to be getting into RMG. But yeah, I think it... Actually, no, I think it gets a bounce, yeah. You can tell how old my TA is on this because I actually label everything like weekly level, monthly level, instead of just a W or a M or something like that. So this must be almost like 2 years old, my TA on this. Not much to really go over. It's not taking out the lows, it's making a higher low. I wouldn't really want to trade this unless it came down to like $2.50. But I mean, here's a pretty... Yeah, if you think it was at $16, like it's not expensive. This guy is still saying he's bought some. Um, P, are you still here? Should we do? No, I don't want to. I don't want to do any actually today. Sorry. um, we'll do it next week. So next week we'll do because that's normally what we do. It'll be the beginning of the month. Yeah, first Friday of the month, and then I did a bonus one last week, and we'll give away 2-week subscriptions to the crew and ExoCharts. 3 months ExoCharts membership on the stream next week. Hedgix moving up. Nice. How's the waifus doing? Not very well. So many dead projects. Tired. Sharing. Not looking good. UBXT. This is one I used to like the look of as well. Looks pretty dead. DAG. Wow. Okay. Fair enough. Why are loads of stupid games pumping? Like this Alice game is pumping. Sand is pumping. They're all stupid games, aren't they? all like Neopets on the blockchain. Pokemon on the blockchain. I'm gonna get stopped out of my short. Oath Crypto, you don't like volume on your charts. What do you mean? Oh, right, here. Nah. I'll look at volume if I need to, but that tells you nothing. If I'm looking at volume analysis, I look on here because this actually tells you what's going on. So I won't look at volume on TradingView generally. I like to look at it from the side and see what price volume has come in at, but I don't care when volume came in because you can just see that on the chart. I'm about to get stopped out. Cool. Yeah, I really don't have anything else to talk about. Yeah, I might call it there. I've been live for an hour. So that's long enough, I think. People playing this game. Should we ban this Kivok guy? Because oh, P messaged me. Twitter account, yes. Everyone, everyone follow on Twitter. I now and again share charts on Twitter when I remember about. I sometimes post charts about Ethiopia. I sometimes post charts about Bitcoin. Yeah, we've got to stop using that ETH hashtag because it means Ethiopia. So because of the Olympics, we'll have to stop using ETH hashtag. We'll have to start using dollar ETH. But yeah. Alright, yeah, we're going to kick this Kivok guy out. He gone. Moby, how are you feeling about the weekend? Monday. Oh, your question was about what time. Oh, I told you this last stream. I don't know what time I was born. I think it was the afternoon sometime. I have no idea. Anyway, what I'm thinking happens over the weekend on Bitcoin. I still don't think we get through this range point of control over the weekend. So I do think we have a sideways and down weekend on this. So what I'd like to see again is just a slow move down, taking out this liquidity, and then we come into Monday, and then we break through the range point of control. I think that's probably that's mainly what I'm looking for. So I want to take a long position. I'm in a short. Got that short. Well, no, I didn't get that short, but I mean, I'm in a short from higher up, and looking for a long somewhere around here. Once it takes out these lows, and we can just monitor what happens there. But we're looking at much higher once we get down there. Yeah, I have no idea what what time I was born. So yeah. Cool. Right, I'm going to call it a night. And yeah, I'll catch all of you guys on... Well, I'll be around a little bit over the weekend, but I'll see everyone on Monday. When hopefully we get some decent price action to cover. But yeah, thanks for watching. I know I didn't cover that much today, but yeah, thanks for watching.